this video is for you, Sir Joe Chua. Chua? Joe Zu. So sorry for my pronunciation of your last name and first name. So thank you, sir, for this pre-sample. Okay, I think this is the beginning of our new business. Okay, I think this is a very good product. Okay, this using this in my setup every I think setup, every create a setup. Okay, but I know this very great. Okay, so thank you for this product. God bless, and take care to yourself, and I think you send another for pre-sample the battery, and I will create DIY setup for this battery, with battery and this. Okay, and I think I buy some seller of DC protection for this setup. So thank you. I think one pre-sample only battery. So that's it. Thank you. God bless. You are legit bossing.